Alright, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Chicago Electric Variable Speed Oscillating Power Tool. This is the item 63111. With this kit, you get a little starter kit to get you started, 2 blades, the sanding disc, some pads, the tool to change out your blades, and some brushes should you ever need it. So the blade that's currently on there is a Bauer, and I will be using this Bauer because it's a bimetal, so I'm going to be using this, which is item 37156. So it doesn't matter where you get your blades. The cool thing about it is a lot of these blades are universal. Also, I want to point out that on this mid-grade tool, because this is like the medium grade because of the variable speed, there is one that's a grade below this, and then the Hercules and the Bauer line, which are higher quality. But when it comes to this one, for being a mid-grade, it actually has a cool feature that I'm going to be demonstrating for you guys, and that's the soft start. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this down to the lowest setting. I'm going to turn it on and let you guys hear for yourself. So as you can see, it kind of starts off slow and then it ramps up to the speed. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn it all the way to high. So that's the number 6 on the tool. So I'm pretty surprised that this mid-grade tool from Harbor Freight actually has a soft start on there. So in the next part of the video, I'm going to be demonstrating this machine, cutting some FRP panel. I'm going to go ahead and sand this down, use some adhesive, and pretty much stick that FRP panel down so I can use this table to mount one of my CNC machines on top of. Alright, so I went ahead, cut all my FRP panel, cut everything to size. I sanded the back of him and the tabletop. So I've already pasted one side here. So what I'm going to be doing is I got to wipe this down one more time and then paste it on this side. Alright, well there's my tabletop. So all I got to do now is just kind of heat up the top and then just keep knurling it. I'm just pressing down with my hand, and hopefully in a day or two this will be completely dry. Alright, so that was a look at the Chicago Electric Variable Speed Oscillating Tool. So if you want more information on this, go ahead and check out the link that I will be providing down below. I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.